This is my Google Search Console account, which I've registered. So we want to check the keywords that are relevant to your website that you are actually getting traffic on, and you have the potential for more clicks or impressions that people can search for. Sometimes the keywords you're using might not be the exact thing people are searching for. They're just similar, so you're getting more impression on that, but you will actually want to convert that to more traffic to your website. So how do you now get that? Because this is going to eventually help you rank better on Google first page and all of that. So now we want to go to performance. Let's see how the website is performing. Can you see the performance and all of that? So after the performance, you can go to add filter here. So you go to query. Query is actually what people search for. So under the filter here, you will see the queries containing this. So you can click it. You will see queries containing, queries not containing, exact query, and custom regex. So this is what you want to go for, custom regex here. So click the custom regex and apply this thing. So I actually got this thing from ChatGPT, which you can make use of. So let's go there. So this is it. This particular thing, which is the dot and the star above it. So it will show you all queries that people are actually searching for, and it's similar to your own website. So copy it and paste it here and apply. So it will bring you to the queries people are actually searching for, right? So you can see it here, query, which is the custom regex. You can see for the past 3 months. So let's see what people are actually searching for. So under the queries we have, these are what people are actually searching for. You can see clicks here. You can see the number of impressions we are getting for this particular keyword. You can see Greensboro news, this. So these are lists of what people are actually searching for. So what you want to do in that sense is you want to make use of those keywords, and they are liable to give you more impressions, more clicks, more traffic to your website, because that's actually what they are looking for. You can get more. You can see here. So you can get more. You can get more. This is the second page. You can get more. You can see this is the third page. You can continue like that, and we are getting more of this thing. You can see, so people are actually searching for all of these things. So you can use it for your content, optimize it for your content title, your meta description, and sprinkle it around your content. This will really help to rank better on search engine, especially Google first page. So that's actually how it works. Remember how we did it, which is you make use of custom regex. If you don't know how to get that thing, you can ask ChatGPT and it's going to give you that dot and the star. So you can add it to the filter and it will bring you here to all that people are searching for. I hope you understand.